Guys, finally the couch is here. Unfortunately, you guys didn't see the unboxing because I came back when hubby with a friend already did this. But this carpet is so nice. Video is not even doing any justice. To think I bought it blindly. See how it matches. So we're just trying to assemble it now. Okay. Hi family, after a very long time, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patty. If you're joining in new here, welcome to my lifestyle, welcome to my immigration channel, welcome to my travel vlogging and lifestyle in general, as well as business. So today I'm also into home decor and kind of niche-ish. Yep. So this is a variety channel where I incorporate everything. So today like I said, if you've been following this channel, I always share my journey from apartment tour, decorating the bedroom, blah, 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 all those good stuff. Yeah, so I am not a professional, but I just like putting stuff together. So today, finally, everything is done. I don't know if it's a whole house tour or living room slash everywhere, like full house tour. Yeah, let me just put it that way. So today we're going to start, do our full house tour. It took us it didn't happen like overnight. But I was trying to put in the pieces together, guys. Accent pieces. We'll get into that detail. So I just want to show you guys what has been happening. And yep, let's go straight into the video. I don't want to waste too much of your time. Let's go. Okay. Okay, guys. So when you get into the living room, this is what you see. I got this coffee table just to, for our shoes, for storage. Pardon this carpet down here. We have to trash it. So it's my old rogue. So I got this buffet table from Temu. Yep, it will shock you. There's a way on how you can shop on Temu from local suppliers. So this is how I got it. This is so nice. So I wanted something black. Yeah. So this is how it goes. Just simple, minimalistic. I actually don't know what to do on here, so I just put in the silver pieces to just blend in together with the Canva. So this is how it looks. So this is the entryway. So from the entryway, we come right here to the living room. Guys, this living room shocked me. Oh. Well, you must have seen I already did a video on this olive tree. Yep, guys, so you must have seen. I will not talk much here because I already have a video on this entryway on my channel, so you can check that out. So when you leave the living room, you come straight right here to this corner. I like to style this corner because I take so much pictures here. I shoot my short form content on here. Yep. And this buffet table, I think I got it from Wayfair. I got this buffet table from Wayfair. Excuse me, let me take off my mic. Accessories. I got this buffet table from Wayfair, and for the decorations, you can check that on my channel. I'm not going to talk so much on this. Yeah, I'm just keeping things simple. And guys, the highlight of this living room is this rug. I got this rug from, I think, Bed and Beyond. Something, I'm just going to link it up. I don't know why this camera is not doing any justice, but it's in beige color. And to think that it ties together, I wanted something like really simple and not fur, because this is summer. I don't want, yep. So this is the rug I got from Bed and Beyond. I'm going to link it. And of course, the highlight, guys, this chair is bigger than this apartment, but people, the comfort that it comes with. Like I told you guys, I wanted something chic, and again, I wanted comfort. If you look at the detail on here is super, super nice. And I love the fact that it comes in beige. And the good thing about this couch is if there's any stain, we paid for 5 years guarantee. If there's any stain on here, the company is going to come just, if there's in case of replacement. And I think it was a good deal given the amount. Like, it wasn't too costly, but it was good because it is super, super comfortable and it's just exceptional. Like this thing can sit like, yeah, it might look small on camera, but it's really big. And of course, my centerpiece table. I'm thinking of, I don't know what to do with this black color, but for now, let it just sit for now. I'll think later. Not much. You guys are already familiar with all of this decor I have on here. You're already familiar with my two. I can't get rid of this no matter what. No matter what, I love it. Let it just be there. Yep, my husband was telling me the whole house will be full with grasses. I'm like, no problem. Let it sit there. So that's it. And this table, I didn't know what to do with it. So I just like put it there. In case I'm having coffee, sitting here to have coffee, I can just drop my glass right over there. Yep. And another thing, I love the fact that it comes with these pillows. It came with these pillows. So this huge, gigantic pillow. I'm like, thank God. Because buying one of these is like $30. So all I need to do now is just to change the cushions whenever I want to change them. But for now, it's okay like that. I just want the beige color. Yep, that's it. People, for some reason, just a side talk, I got this flower like 3 months ago. It's refusing to die down. Like, what's going on? Anyways, fine. It saves me more money. Yep, and coming to this section, of course, we have our chairs. But since this section is a little bit tight, we decided to move the chair a little bit so it can ease movement. So this is how it looks. So this is how the kitchen area looks for now. Yep, the kitchen area looks for now just like so. Yeah, so that's how it looks. And another kitchen update, I decided to get this beautiful 5 tier, 1 2 3 4, yeah, of course, 5 tier stand to display my teacups, my canister. I haven't bought the canisters yet. And just the same flower, people, it's refused to die, which is good. And I have this note here, my kitchen, my rooms, of course. Yeah, so I just have this on here. So this is the newest art on this kitchen section. And of course, on here I just have my, the normal gadget. Forget about that pot. Whenever I see that big pot, no, I made something like really huge, and or I made like a big pot of meal that can last us for a while. Yeah. So so this is how the kitchen looks like. And to my favorite part is this small cozy dining area right here. People, for some reason, this is a 1 bedroom apartment. I'm shocked at how all of these things fit inside, yet it's not too cluttered, right? So maybe to me it might be cluttered to you, but I like maximalistic. Yeah, so this is the dining I got. Again, yes, from Temu. It might shock you. There's a way to shop on Temu. You shop from local store owners here in the United States and not from China. Yep, so this is how it is. This is how it looks. I kept it extremely why do I say simple? It's not simple, people. So this is how it looks. And I love the fact that I have my console table. Yep. And this is my favorite part on here, this gold Canva. This gold Canva, I love it so much. And of course, with the plant, you must have seen, I think before this video, you must have seen a video on my dining room tour. I don't know if I'm going to include it or I'm going to just put it on this video. So this is how it looks. I have my lamp on there, I have my candle melt, and of course this. The theme is boho. The theme is gray. The theme is gold. So this is how this section looks. And on to my favorite part that I'm still working and building is this small wine rack right here, people. How gorgeous. I was looking for something. At first, I wanted a wine rack that would go that way. I'm like, what if, what if you sit on that chair and it like, you can describe or broke down the glasses, or yeah, you know what I'm talking about. English is not your mate, please. So I decided to get this wine rack again from Temu. Yep, and here it's display all, or at least, but we've drank some. I just left some bottle there, we took some out. So this is how it looks, and I really like it because it's simple. You can just grab your wine up there and Yeah, you just head out. Yep, I know you can peep outside. My next project is out here. I already got the chairs right here. I just have to get the cushion and start decorating outside, because before you blink, summer is done and fall and boom, winter. So I have to enjoy every moment. So this is how it looks. Guys, this is the end of our tour. I'm going to be showing like the night view when it's night time, on how it looks when it's night. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, because a lot of content is coming up on here. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.